to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining at 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to withdraw crypto from your Binance wallet directly to your bank. It can either be cooperative bank, equity bank, it can be any bank you want as long as it's listed on the Binance P2P platform. So yeah, basically the steps of withdrawing are very simple. Let's get into them. So the first thing for you to be able to trade crypto, or for you to be able to withdraw crypto, you need to have your wallet or your account verified. So just install the Binance app, head on to this small icon that looks like a person, click on that, then check on this section here. You can see mine is saying verified. Check on your side if it's verified. If it's not, head on to click on it. Let me click on my profile. So click on it, then click on it, head on to your profile, then select where you can see verification. For you, in my case, you can see mine is verified. So select yours. You'll be having an option of verify, where you'll provide your national ID and maybe your face. You'll scan your face for verification. That's known as KYC, know your customer. After you're done with KYC, and it will take around 3 to 4 hours for Binance to verify your details. After verification, you'll get this small tick saying that verification is complete. After that, now you'll be able to trade any amount you want. So yeah, now how we proceed on to withdraw crypto to our bank directly. This is what you need to do. So after depositing assets in your Binance wallet, now what you need to do, come and click on trade here. When you click on trade, these options will come, or they will appear on your side. So come and select on P2P, person to person. P2P stands for person to person. So click on P2P. So my network is a bit down, so you'll bear with me. So when you click on P2P, this page should appear on your side. So let me wait for it to load. So there we have it. So let me cancel that. So okay, after this pages appears on your side, what you need to do, you need to select your coin. So if it's in USDT, select USDT. If it's in BTC, select BTC. If it's in USDC, select USDC. So make sure the coin you want to sell is selected. So yeah, now you can proceed. After opening the P2P, come and click sell. Now because we want to sell crypto to our bank, so come and click on sell. So when you click on sell, the ads will be provided for you. So note, these are just random ads. So what we need to do, we need to filter these ads. So yeah, make sure you don't forget that you need to switch on to the crypto you want to trade. For my case, you can see I want to trade USDT. So I'll just click on USDT there. And automatically the ads will be, automatically the ads are going to be filtered to USDT. So yeah, after selecting your crypto or your coin, now come and select on payment methods here. You can see here. So when you click on here, all the payments methods that are available on the Binance P2P will be provided. So depending on the one you want to go with, you can select it here. So for our case, we don't want M-Pesa, we want to use bank, and our bank of choice today is cooperative. So come and select Coop Bank of Kenya. So yep, then the ads are going to be filtered to merchants who are allowing trades to cooperative bank. So okay, you can see now these ads here are accepting bank transfers. You can see the first ad, super fast, is accepting bank transfer, is also accepting M-Pesa, is also accepting M-Pesa pay bill. Same with this other merchant here, is accepting bank transfer, Coop Bank, and also Equity Bank. So you can see there's also an option for equity. So you're not only limited to cooperative. You can use any bank that is being provided on the P2P platform. So yeah. So after selecting cooperative bank and USDT, and make sure the amount here is in cash, because we want to trade in cash. So these currencies are going to be shown in cash. So if they're not showing in cash, just come and click on here, then search for cash, and then they're going to appear in Kenyan shillings. Now the next step is to choose the best ad. So you can choose the best ad depending on the withdrawal time, or the time on which he takes to complete a withdrawal, or you can choose an ad depending on the amount he's providing. So you can see some ads, they trade quickly, or they provide payment quickly, under 15 minutes, others under 5, but others take long, they can even take an hour or so. And also the other ads that have lower trading amount, like you can see for this ad here is trading 1 USDT for 116 Kenyan shillings, and the first ad here is trading 1 USDT to 128.20 Kenyan shillings. So depending on your preference, for my case I'll use the one with the highest bidder, so I'll go with Superfast, who is selling with 128.20 Kenyan shillings. So this is the ad I'm going to go with. So for your case, choose the one which you prefer. So if you're going with this, come and now select sell here. So click on sell. Then when you click on sell, this page is going to appear. And because it's our first time, before we do anything else, we need to add our payment method here. So come and click on set my payment method. Then when you click on set my payment method, this prompt is going to appear on your page, where you're going to be asked to select the payment method you want to select. So we don't want to bank, we don't want M-Pesa or Equity, you just want COP. So you can select any, but for today's video it's COP. So select cooperative. So click on this plus button, add. Then your full name is going to be displayed here depending on your name on your ID, because Binance is going to reflect your name there. Then you're going to be asked to input your bank number here. So here's where you paste your bank number. Make sure you paste your correct bank number, because when you miss a number here, all your funds or all your crypto that you want to withdraw to your bank will go to another account. So go and get your bank number. So let me get mine and paste it there. So our bank number, so let me paste mine there. So this is my COP account bank number. So get your COP bank number and paste it there. So if it was Equity, get your Equity bank number and paste where you had selected Equity. So then proceed to confirm. So when you click on confirm, it's going to add that payment method. So just give it a few seconds. So apparently it needs a verification. So let me input my PIN, pause the vid, then proceed, cancel, passkey not available. So let me just verify. So you'll be asked to verify. So let me just verify very quick. Sorry. Then submit the code. Then I think you're good there, and go back. So you'll proceed with a verification. First, they're going to require your authenticator or your email or your phone number. You'll just be asked to verify. So just follow those steps. If they're asking for the authenticator app code, register, do everything. And when you do everything correctly, you're going to land on this sector or this page, where you can see now my COP Bank of Kenya, your name, and the bank number is added there successfully. And you can see now we have one payment method added. Now this is good. After adding, now you can proceed to withdraw to this bank account. So this means that when you select it, the way I've done it, you can see when you select it, every time you come to payment methods, you select this account number, this bank number you had added. When you select it successfully, you can see it's saying Cooperative Bank of Kenya, and the number is there. So this means that every time you withdraw crypto, your funds are going to be sent to your bank number directly. So this is what is going to appear to the merchant side. So this is the account on which you'll be sending money. Then on your side, you'll be asked to, of course, release the crypto. So after inputting the number, you can now proceed to input the amount of USDT you want to sell. So let's say you want to sell like around $50. So for my case, I don't have funds in this account. That's why you can see it's saying insufficient funds. So but when you sell 50 USDT, you'll be getting 6,403.59 cents in your bank account. So when you have the funds, when you click on sell USDT, this order will be placed and a countdown will start running around 15 minutes, because when they don't release within 15 minutes, the order gets cancelled. So impute your amount, check the amount you're going to receive. If you're okay with it, come and select sell USDT. Then the order will be added, and you'll just have to wait for a couple of few minutes. Then the funds will get on your bank account. Then you'll just have to verify that the amount is correct with the one that had shown before or had been reflected on the P2P section. So when we confirm that they're correct and the balance is correct, then you're going to have to release the crypto. And for you to release the crypto, you'll have to go, you'll either go to the notification center or the order center here. You can see this order center here. So here is where you'll find your current orders, the ones which you have selected, or that the ones which have not been completed, the ones that have been completed, or the ones that are undergoing, or all of them. So you can see on this section here we have all. So on this account, I haven't done any trade. That's why it's empty. So but if you have done your trade, or if you have sold USDT, that order will be shown here. So you'll just have to come and click on it, click on that order, then release crypto. Click on release crypto. That is after confirming that you have received the crypto. Select release crypto. After selecting release crypto, then proceed to confirm, impute the verification with the Authenta, Gmail and all of that. Then proceed to done. After when you proceed to do it successfully, it will tell you order completed successfully, and it will show you, like, it will ask you like if you want to place another order. Of course you won't want to place another order immediately, but it will just ask you. Then when you're done with that order, when you head on to completed here, your order should be showing on the completed section. This means that order is completed. If it's cancelled or if it doesn't go well, it will show under cancelled. But make sure when you sell crypto, don't forget to release the assets after receiving the money, because when you don't, you'll get your account either banned because the merchant will report you, and Binance usually doesn't give warnings. You'll just get your account banned. And basically that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more crypto updates.